I'm excited today to show you this 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, new construction home in 78704 right here in Austin. You're gonna love it. Let's take a look. First, I want you to know, Lisa and I both commented as we were touring this home, this is one of our favorites. There's just so much I want to show you. There are 3 floors and the entire home is designed so well. This is a chance to picture what life could be like in the heart of 78704. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the home floor by floor. On this lower floor, I want to show you the open kitchen, the living and dining area, the flexible guest suite or home office, the half bath, and the garage carport. Then up to the second floor. In this home, we've got 2 primary suites, one on the second floor, and I can't wait to show you the one on the third floor. In fact, Lisa and I could not decide which one is the main primary suite. They both have so much to offer. And while on the second floor, I'm going to show you what might be the best laundry room I've ever seen in new construction. So much in this incredible home. And finally, I'll take you to the third floor, which is a retreat in itself. But before we get to all that, let's start here on the main level. This living and dining area just pulls you in. You've got natural light pouring through, warm wood floors, and a layout that makes entertaining feel effortless. The kitchen is really the heart of it all. You've got these quartz countertops, big island, premium stainless appliances, and clean, modern cabinetry. Everything feels intentional and ready to go. Special thanks to Zilker Park, the listing agent, for allowing me to capture this amazing home on video. I'm Larry Tardy, and I create videos like this each and every week to share with individuals like you. Now down this hall, on the left, there's a bedroom with its own bath that makes a perfect home office, guest room, or even a private space for a teen. I love the shelving they've included here in the hall and love the colors of this half bath, which is on the main level. This home includes a 1-car carport with a garage, and there is room to park another car behind the home. I'll show you that later in the video. On the second floor, you'll find 2 more bedrooms and 2 full baths, but one of the standout features is this primary suite. This one has dual vanities and a bonus, a private balcony that overlooks the front yard. Now, many homes in Central Austin come with a small backyard or none at all, but this one flips the script in the best way. Instead of a backyard, you've got a fully fenced, beautifully landscaped front yard. It's totally private and super usable, perfect for morning coffee, outdoor dinners, or a little play space for the kids or dogs. And this yard flows straight off the covered front porch, giving you that indoor-outdoor feel that fits Austin so well. In just a moment, I can't wait to show you one of my favorite features in this entire home, the laundry room. I'll be right back. This next room counts as a bedroom. It has no door on it, but that is something that the new owner could add if a door is wanted here. I'm not exaggerating when I say this is one of the best laundry rooms I've ever seen. It's oversized, bright. I love the ceiling angles, the windows, the built-in storage, the sink, the fridge for entertaining, and space to actually enjoy doing laundry, or at least not dread it. I love it so much. The third floor is home to a second full primary suite, and honestly, it's hard to pick a favorite. This one feels like a retreat. It's spacious, tucked away on that third floor with a luxury spa-style bathroom. If you want your own escape within the home, this could be it. This brand new home was built in 2025, and at the time of me posting this video, it's priced at $1.3 million. You're getting over 2,600 square feet of space, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and a layout that works beautifully for today's lifestyle. Whether you're a remote worker, have a growing family, or just want to be right in the middle of what makes Austin awesome. Enjoy viewing this space. I'll be right back. Let's take a look at the side and the back of this home. You'll see the garage door that leads to the one-car carport. The laundry room that I love so much is just above this carport, and there's space behind the home for more storage. As always, if you want more information about this home that's currently on the market, or new construction, or any home in the greater Austin area, just send me a text or email and we'll set up a time to chat. I love Austin, and I love helping families and individuals relocate. This is what I do. Let's find home. And if you're still watching, thank you. Lisa and I love capturing on video some of Austin's great homes to share with individuals like you. I post videos like this one each and every week, so if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, like it, share it, comment. I would love to hear from you, and I look forward to seeing you on our next tour.